So let's all say Merry Christmas. Tan, 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 tan. Tuloy natin yung mga tanong. Let me show you what happened a week ago or something. I'm not even sure. My VA team got together. Sila-sila lang. Hindi ako sinama. Nag-meet sila sa isang mall, somewhere north. Sabi nila, wag sabihin eh. Somewhere north. And naligaw sila kasi hindi sila sanay lumabas ng bahay. Ay, mga work at home talaga eh, no? Tapos, Christmas bonus ang inisip nila para sa inyo. Ngayon, before you think Christmas bonus is something freely given by the government or freely given by the company, that's not the same kind of Christmas bonus. My VAs are like you. They know what you need. So they created something for you guys na sa tingin nila magugustuhan ninyo. And nung nakita ko, sabi ko, oh, galing talaga. Kasi they used their own needs eh. So they made something up from all my old files and all my old stuff. So some of these stuff you haven't even heard of. Meron pala akong ganon. And they made it and they called it the 12 Days of Christmas with Jomar Hilario. And that's the 12-12-12 na Christmas bonus nila for everyone. I'm gonna read it for you guys so you can enjoy it. The most marvelous and well-deserved gift you can ever reward yourself is finally here. Celebrate your 12 days of Christmas with Jomar Hilario. Unleash the marketing expert in you with these amazing, exclusive, never been offered programs by Jomar. Now available for a limited time, especially for you. Gawa to ng mga mga VA team ko. These much coveted lessons can turn your dream lifestyle into a reality within months as you go through my beginner friendly tutorials, constant mentoring providing you not only with skills you need, but most importantly, the mindset my successful mentors. If you're asking who are my mentors, marami. Si Jim Rohn, si T. Harv Eker, si Jeff Walker, si Stephen Pierce, si Ryan Dice, si Dom Crowder, very good. Si Dan Kennedy, as in Robert Kiyosaki. These are my mentors. Some of them I've met na. Okay. I've imparted, so the mindset my successful mentors have imparted in me, and I'll be passing on to you which is highly essential as you go up that ladder of success. You can start by choosing from the 12 days of Christmas. So we start by choosing this one on the left, the 12 days of Christmas. So I'm going to click on this. Okay. Nikki, if you have a link, can you send me the link to the chat room thingy? Wait ah. Bonk, bonk, bonk. Okay. So pagpunta mo dito sa bundles, you can see work from yung pinaka-left. Tingnan natin yung pinaka-left para masaya. Okay? Pinaka-left nakalagay, work from home startup kit. Bago nyo husgahan kung anong laman yan. Remember, ang gumawa nito ay virtual assistants also. So they know what you need. So let me go through it. Bundle 1 at discount, 60% discount. I-click natin siya and you will see this. Tingnan natin. Okay. Depending on your skills, you can leave your home, leave your stressful 9 to 5 day job and work from the comforts of your own home. The work from home startup kit is complete with audio, video, and ebook files. Ito yung laman. The VA seminar downloadable files. Are you qualified to work from home webinar files? Work from home myths and facts webinar files. 10 things you need to have to earn big online. The elements of an attractive VA blog. The virtual assistant career roadmap. Scams exposed, online marketing scams well exposed webinar files. And the hosted WordPress tutorials ebook. Magkano lahat yan? Anybody guessing? So, hindi na akong papaguess sa matagal eh. It's 17,000. It's 12,975. And the Jolly Good Elves, essentially the VAs, my VAs, no? Sila Nikki, sila Jasmine, sila Daniel, sila Trina. They said 60% off. So it's 5,000. All of this. What's the good news? What's the good news? Ang galing ng VAs, no? Ang good news, if you got the VA seminar downloadable, yeah, nung November 12 lang, up to November 12, deduct mo yung 2,975 from this one and you get the rest. You understand me? If you got the VA seminar downloadable nung November 12 up to today, deduct mo yung 2,975 and from the 5,025 and you get everything here, all of it. Okay. That's bundle 1. Sabi ng VAs ko, "Hoy, anong naman say ninyo? Magsalita daw kayo. Mag-react naman daw kayo." Para marinig nila kasi gusto nilang makita yung reaction ninyo. Great package, sabi ni Paul. Wow, sabi ni Cindy. Affordable bundle, sabi ni Catherine. Sabi ni Joanne, galing. Thank you. Just paid last November 26, sabi ni Diane. Yay, galing naman, sabi ni Chi. Sabi ni Teresa is 5,025 minus 2,975. Yes, kung kakabili mo lang ng downloadable, yes, tama yung compute mo. Sabi ni Chi, super sulit. Sabi ni Sheena, amazing idea. Sabi ni Ladrick, galing. Maki says, impressive. Sabi ni Ryan, eto yung gusto marinig ng VAs, avail po ako. Okay. So we actually got rid of your excuses, no? Because not only are you gonna get the VA seminar, you're gonna get everything else. Okay? Okay. So that's bundle one. Mas maganda sana kung chatroom, ano? Next time chatroom tayo para hindi ko na i-dictate. Okay. So, do you wanna see bundle two? Wala lang, kung gusto nyo lang. This is actually 12 days of Christmas. These discounts start today hanggang Tuesday. At 60%, these things start today. Ang discount na to, today hanggang Tuesday. Tapos Wednesday, 40% na lang yung discount. Basta hindi siya consistent lagi. Kasi sabi ng VAs ko, sabi nila Jasmine. Sasabihin ko yung pangalan Jasmine, Camille, hindi kasama si Camille, sa Boracay siya. Nagpapahinga. Si Jasmine, si Nikki, si Trina, at saka si Daniel. Sabi nila, fast movers i-reward. Meaning, pag nag-avail ka hanggang Tuesday, naka 60% off ka. Pag tinawad kang mag-avail, yung tagal-tagal mo mag-avail, 40%. So, nire-reward nila yung mabilis kumilos. Because, sa totoo lang, no, sa mundo ng marketing, talagang kailangan i-reward ang mabilis kumilos. Kasi, the fast movers, these are the ones who get what they want. So, you gotta be a fast mover. So, importante maintindihan mo, Cindy, if you purchase the VA Seminar downloadable, November 12 hanggang today lang. Kung last year ka pa bumili, hindi na applicable 'yun. Dapat kabibili mo lang ng downloadable. Okay? Kung kabibili mo lang downloadable nung November 12, November 13, 14 hanggang December 12, bawasan mo yung 29. Okay. Very good. O kabibili lang December, good. Tama na yan, 2,050 na lang. So let's go to the other bundle. Pack. Pili kayo ng bundle na pwedeng buksan. Hindi ko sigurado kung anong pwedeng buksan dito. So, pili na lang kayo ng bundle na gusto nyong buksan ko. Sabi ni Cindy, Yahoo! MMI bundle. Where is it? MMI bundle. I think this is it. Advanced marketing for your online biz and VA consultancy. Bundle 4 at 48% discount. I think this is it. Let's click. Bundle number 4. Sabi sa inyo, wag ka munang mag-decide mamaya. Okay. Advanced marketing for your online biz. So it's Marketing Master Insider Platinum ang kasama, Platinum Understanding the language of the internet, shortcuts and social media checklist for your business. Business success or failure using common sense to understand it all. Secrets of social media online photography, hosted WordPress tutorials, sales letter creation, webinar files yan, as video, audio, ebooks. Okay? So basahin natin. Promote your businesses online and level up your virtual assistant skills at the same time. Start your transition from VA to online marketer today with advanced marketing for your online biz and VA consultancy kit, complete with audio, video, and ebook files. Total of 37K, now at 19,525. Okay? Okay ba? Tinatanong nila, anong masasabi nyo, MMI bundle? Ano masasabi nyo? Tinatanong nila, pagbigyan nyo naman. Okay? Kasi yun na nga lang yung consolation nila, yung reaction ninyo. Kasi hindi pa natutulog si Nikki. Yes, you can pay bank deposits for all of these. Yeah. Ang tanong ni Jocelyn, ano yung expected output every time there's a meeting? There's always an assignment, iba-ibang assignment for each for each meeting. Ang assignment namin last time was magte-testing sa Facebook. Okay? So if you're curious what to do. Okay, great deal. Thank you, great deal. Paano ka makaka-avail? Paano maka-avail? There's a button at the bottom that says add to cart. Is it working? Yeah, it's working. So just click there or sabi ni Maria, I love Nikki. Babae si Nikki ha. Okay. So, yeah. Yeah, magdadagdag ka lang ng 25 pesos sa 19,500. Madami ka nang makukuha. Correct. And this is the reason why if the VAs do this stuff, it's much better, right? Di ba? 25 pesos lang, ang dami ng dagdag. And alam nyo, pinagpilian talaga ni Jasmine yung mga old kong mga files kasi walang nag-iisip eh. Okay. So, this is applicable for everyone. Okay? This sabi ni Maria, hahaha, nalito ako talaga kung anong a-avail ko. Hindi ba info overload? Di unang-una, when you get this, hindi mo makukuha ang MMI 2 month, 3rd month, 4th month, 5 months, 6 months. Makukuha mo lang isang buwan from MMI. So your first month, ito lang pwede mong itackle. Yung understanding the language of the internet, business success or failure, 90 minutes lang yan. Itong social media online photography, 1 oras yan. Hosted tutorials yan. Sales letter creation, siguro 1 hour yan. So, paano ka ma-overload? Next month, MMI will kick in. It's gonna be the MMI lessons na lang. Okay? Besides, you need it eh. According to my VAs, you need it. You need it this way. Sabi nila. Okay? Sabi ni Eric, balik VA ulit. Okay. Excited to see the other offers. Okay, let's see. Ay, walang installment to Sobrang baba. Walang installment. This is all at this price. This is all at this price until Tuesday. 18, I think. And then after 18, the discounts will be lower. Mataas pa rin. Kasi this is like 40%, 48% discount. Siguro 30% discount na lang sa 19. So hanggang Tuesday to ha. So this is the MMI bundle actually. Advanced marketing. We don't call it MMI bundle kasi hindi siya MMI lang eh. Marami kasi. So it's advanced marketing for your online biz. Wala pong installment. Ang hilig nyo sa installment. Hindi applicable eh. Sabi ni VAs, hindi installment. So, would you like to move on? Wala pa. Di muna ako bibili ng bagong dining, ganun. Ano yung dining? Dining set? Paki-clarify. Hindi ko alam eh. Ano yung dining? Ano kasi yan eh? What do you want? Education to turn your life around or bagong dining set? Nasa ano yan eh? Ano yung desires and joys mo sa buhay? Kung ako nagsisimula, education pa rin kahit ano mangyari. Kasi nagsisimula pa lang ako. Hindi ko priority ang bagong dining kasi kailangan ko pang matuto para lumaki yung income ko. Para wala akong problema sa bagong dining in the future. Sabi ni ito maganda. Sabi ni Arvin, "Wahala, ang ganda ng offer. Hindi ata ako makakatulog mamaya sa kakaisip." Okay. So solved na solved na si Nikki sa sinabi mo kasi hindi pa siya natutulog. Considering insomniac siya, hindi pa rin siya natutulog. So let's go to the main site and go open another bundle. So tama si Ken. Yung discount ng MMI hanggang Friday na lang. That's how much is that? 14,000, right? Hindi ko na matandaan. Let's go back. MMI hanggang Friday is 19,500. Yan. Kita mo yan? MMI Friday 19,500. Ang ginawa nila, remember they did this independently of me, okay? Kaya ganyan yan. Ang ginawa nila, yung MMI hanggang Tuesday, magdadagdag ka lang ng, what's that? 25 pesos, makakakuha ka pa ng extra. Ayan o. 25 pesos, makakuha ka ng extra. And this is like their idea, okay? MMI proper starts in January actually. Pero I prefer na mag-attend na kayo ng December 15 workshop webinar agad. Kasi mag-start na talaga kami. Pero yung formal start is Kasi 'pag nagsa-start talaga sa mga mentoring programs, merong part na, "Hello, kamusta ka na? Anong pangalan mo? Anong business mo?" Ay, yung part na yun, kailangan mo yun, pero hindi siya marketing, tama ba? You're getting to know people. So we do that in December. So the first workshop webinar for MMI is actually this Friday, this Saturday na. So if you join next week, hindi ka makakasala doon sa December 15 na workshop webinar. Oh, advance sila, magkakakalala na sila, essentially gano'n. Magkakakilala na sila. Yun lang naman yung advance nila. They got to know each other in a better way. So gano'n. Yun lang naman. Okay? So, I don't want you to think about this as a classroom wherein you're competing with other students. You're not. This is for you to increase your business. You don't care about the progress of other people because hindi naman importante yung progress nila. Ang importante yung progress mo. If you want your business to be anonymous, hindi ko alam paano sagot. Hindi ko alam sagot sa tanong, sorry. Hindi ko naiintindihan why you want the business to be anonymous eh. You want the owner to be anonymous. But the business cannot be anonymous because it means nobody will know what your business is, so how are you gonna sell anything? 'Di ba? Okay. So, ang December 15 is for platinum members and mastermind members. So that's not a meetup, that's a live webinar, 3 hours. So may tanong si Sheena is, Sir Joms, I had deposit today OMC 14,500. Can I convert it and deposit the balance? Yes. Sabi ni Gwen, the offers are great, Sir Jomar. But it's frustrating di kami na maka-open ng Visa card dito sa Macau para makagamit ng PayPal so we can start earning as a VA. Huwag kang mag-open ng Visa card sa Macau. Magsabi ka sa relative mo na mag-open ng Ion Bank para sa'yo. Iyon. Magpakuha ka ng Iyon, tapos kunin mo yung card. Kunin mo yung, palitan mo yung PIN. May Iyon ka na. Dikit mo yung Iyon sa PayPal. Tapos, ganun. Yun lang naman ang kailangan ni PayPal eh. Proof na you are existing. So, pakuha ka ng Iyon card sa Philippines. Sir Jomar, ma-access na ba namin yung site na yan? Yeah. To access this site, you wanna open it yourself. Hindi pa siya fully finished. Ayan, no? jomar.com/jomar12days. Ay, Nikki, may link ba tayong bago? Nikki, bigyan mo ako link na bago. Kasi gusto ko sana yung bagong link. May link ba si Nikki na bago? Hintayin natin yung link ni Nikki ha. Kasi hindi ito yung final link eh. Hintayin natin siyang sumagot. Okay, let me go to that list again. Anybody here wanna open another one? Or I'll let you guys open it na lang. Oh, there it is. Any credit card pwede mo i-link sa PayPal. Yung Ion card ng ano kasi, ng Union Bank, hindi yun credit card, debit card. So ang daling kumuha. Bayaran mo ng ₱350 yung bangko. Meron ka ng debit card. Alam mo yun? Na mukhang credit card. Pero yung credit card, kahit ano pwede mo i-link sa sa PayPal. So the new link is called Kahaba-haba. Papadala ko sa inyong lahat. Okay. Nikki, hindi ka pala natuturuan pag gumawa ng small links. So, ayan yung link sa inyong lahat. Okay, let me just show it on screen para makita nyo. The new link, mag-opt-in muna kayo So, this is the new link. New link. 12 days of Christmas. By the way, Roman Catholic ako. Ang Xmas, hindi yun Xmas. Chai Mas yan. That's actually not English. Xmas. This is Roman for Chai. Okay, Chai as in Chairo, which is ang tawag nila kay Jesus sa Ireland. So, I know my Catholic faith. I don't use Xmas as Xmas. That's Chai for Christmas. Or this is Jesus actually. Yung Chai, that's Jesus sa Ireland. This is old Catholic faith Huwag kayong magbabasa ng mga literature na sinasabing Xmas means X. Okay, it's not. Okay. Ultimate bundle, ho ho ho. Little buttons are not yet live. Yeah. Okay, wow. They want me to open the ultimate bundle. Pero Nikki, hindi pa umaandar 'yan? Sabi sa inyo dahan-dahan ng launch nito, hindi pa kaya. Greek pala sabi ni Menen. Thank you very much, Mr. Menen. It's Greek, it's not Roman. Okay, it's Greek. Okay. Sabi ni Gwen, your idea is considered a great Christmas gift for me kasi namomroblema ako ng matagal na plano ko umuwi para makakuha ng iyon account. Buti na lang makahabol pa sa webinar. So, let me just talk about the ultimate. The ultimate is I want it all. Okay? Ho, 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 I want it all. And perfect for entrepreneurs and virtual assistants alike in making history in the world of online marketing. Okay. Ultimate bundle, you get it all. All of it. Lahat. OMC, MMI, all the webinars, everything. Okay? Now, I can't click on this because it's not yet live. Okay? It's not yet live. See, I'm trying to click on it. Hindi pa siya live. Now, anybody want to learn something about marketing? Or do you want me to explain why it's not live? Pareho lang yun. Do you want me to explain bakit hindi yan live? Kasi it's a marketing lesson. Si Ken lang ang may gusto na explain ko, so hindi ko na-explain. Okay. In your screen, you are looking at how many options. So, marketing lesson to Sa mga hindi nag-attend, belat kayo. Hindi kayo nag-attend. Hindi nyo malalaman tong very important marketing lesson. Okay? Yung mga umaalis na dahil 10 o'clock na, sige, umalis kayo. Okay lang. Kasi yung mga sikreto, gusto ko binibigay lang sa those who deserve it. So, here it is. Okay? Hindi live yan kasi how many choices are you looking at already on your screen today? Alam niyo naman yung sagot, di ba? You're looking at 6, right? If you present too many options to people, they start becoming so confused. So confused. So, ang ginawa namin, hindi mo na active to. Para you're just looking at 5. So, pag tingin nyo to bukas, tatanggalin muna namin yung ho, ho, ho na yan. Actually, pag tingin nyo to bukas, 3 na lang yan. Tapos ilalagay ko sa ibang page yung next 3. Okay? Hindi naman mawawala yung bundle. Ang mangyayari, ihihiwalay ko lang yung page. Because in marketing, you can't, people get confused if you show them too many options. So you have to show them 3 first. So this is the marketing lesson. Then you click here to find out the, the next set. So you ask them to click here to look at the next set. Para it's easier for them to choose. Because it's so easy to choose between 3 than from 5 or 6. So that's your marketing lesson. Every time you show something, pakita mo lang in threes. Okay? Bundle 1. Somebody wants me to click bundle 1. Okay, there it is. So that ends today's... hindi pa pala. Grabe. Okay. May contest. If you buy any of the bundles, you get 5 points. 5 points are for a raffle. The raffle, we will be giving out three raffle prizes. And the raffle prizes, well, if you get a bundle, you get 5 points, right? So the raffle is for 3 people to enjoy 3 prizes. Here are the prizes. Number 1, you're going to have a one-on-one live video chat, video conference with a virtual assistant. Interviewin mo na siya ng katakot-takot. Ikaw ang bahala kung tatanungin mo sa kanya. Somebody who's working from home. Preferably somebody who's working from home matagal na. Okay. So we don't know who that person is yet, but we're gonna find someone for you. Tapos chat kayo. That's your first prize. That's the third prize. The second prize, are you happy with that prize? I mean, sabi ng mga VAs ko, magugustuhan nyo yun na, na makaka-interview kayo one-on-one. And re-record namin yung interview nyo. So you're gonna use my system para ma-record. Tapos yung second prize, again, this is for people who buy bundles. You get to interview 2 VAs. Okay. Dalawang VAs. 1 hour. 1 hour. 1 hour yung interview. Actually, usapan lang yan. So, bahala kayo kung how long. Pero normally, 1 hour. 1 hour is actually enough. 2 VAs. So, you can extend that to 90 minutes kung kakayanin. Okay? Sabi ni Catherine, I'm dying with the offers. So the second prize is you interview two VAs in the comfort of your own home. Video conference kasi baka nasa ibang bansa ka, nasa ibang bansa yung VA, nobody knows. Now the third prize, hulaan nyo. Hindi, may hirapan kayo maghula, sabihin ko na sa inyo. And then we can go goodbye. The third prize is an interview with me, live video conference with me, and no, one of my successful students na hindi VA. So, essentially, ang mangyayari ganito, i-interviewin mo siya. Tapos manggugulo lang ako kung gusto niyo akong sumama. Pero we're gonna interview one of my successful students. VA man siya o hindi, basta successful student siya. Probably not a VA, probably somebody who's starting in online marketing para makita mo yung progress niya. Iba kasi yung progress pag hindi na siya VA or hindi siya dumaan sa pagiging VA. So those are the three prizes. Let me review. If you buy a bundle, you get 5 points. We're gonna use a system to compute the points, randomly find the winner, and then the third prize gets to interview one VA. The second prize gets to interview two VAs for 90 minutes. And then the third prize is you interview one of my successful students. Kayo lang. With me. Listening in. If you want me to say anything, I'll say anything. So that's it. That is the what? Tama na ba? Meron pa ba ako nakalimutan? So yun, 10 minutes overtime ako pero at least 10-10, no? So here's that link again. So you got a contest there. Actually, there's more coming your way, pero that's enough for tonight pa lang. The ultimate bundle is actually 75,000. Yeah, ang ultimate bundle. Do you want to know the bonus to the ultimate bundle? Kahit na, okay. Oh, the entire program is hanggang December 24. The entire program is December 24. The entire 12 days of Christmas is December 24. Okay? So, hanggang December 18, 60% discount and all that. After that, after Tuesday, no, on Wednesday, mas maliit lang yung discount, pero tuloy pa rin yung program, tuloy pa rin yung mga raffle. And then, we end on December 24. December 25, we draw the winner. And ang bonus sa I Want It All, actually, I Want It All is 75,000 pesos. You get to join my mastermind team. Ano para saan yung mastermind? The mastermind is a group of entrepreneurs super willing to level up their stuff na I get people like Bo Sanchez to talk to them directly. I mean, papuntahin ko si Bo, kakausapin nila yung entrepreneurship ang usapan, kung ano man. I get real entrepreneurs and they get to talk to my mastermind team. Sila lang. I mean, no, hindi naman one-on-one kasi ilan lang ba yung mastermind kong right now? 5. Dati 18 yan eh. So, 5 sila, kakausapin nila yung isang entrepreneur na magaling, tapos interviewin nila. We also do a lot of stuff together. Plus, my mastermind members get to attend any of my events for free and get to attend all the webinars for free. Yan yung ginagawa. Yan yung privilege ng mastermind members ko. Attendance for free and they get to be exposed to all these millionaires na hindi naman kilala, wala namang libro. So, Filipino. So, yan yon. So, if you get the ho ho ho, I want it all, it's just 75,000 bucks and you instantly become a member of the mastermind. So, yon. So, think about it really well. Dining table, you know, magkano ba dining table? 30,000 plus sofa bed, 30,000, 60,000. Ano ba? Or ultimate bundle. Ho, 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 I want it all. So, pag-isipan nyo where you want to go with your life, where you want to go with your financial status. So, and I would like you guys to say thank you to my VAs for doing this for us because sila may pakanahan nito. Okay? The bundles hanggang 24, okay? Okay. Yeah. If you get into MMI via the ultimate bundle, may kasama may kasama ka. May kasama ka talaga. If you get into MMI via the ultimate bundle, may kasama ka. Pero you have to understand, ang mastermind meetings, hindi kasama yung employees mo. Hindi sila makaka-relate. Dapat ikaw lang pagdating sa mastermind meetings. Kasi we tried that, no? Hindi, board lang yung employees. Sa mastermind kasi pang entrepreneur eh. Okay, so thank you so much for bearing with me. Ilan kayo? Ilan kayo? Let me count the ways. Mga 100. Oh, dami. Di ko makabilang. Walang count sa meeting burner. So, thank you so much for joining us tonight. And I look forward to teaching you guys this coming year and get a get a great dent sa ano mo sa poverty mindset, sa negative mindset. Then pati 'yon itatakal natin. Okay, ang mastermind saka inner circle isa 'yon. It's called the inner circle mastermind. Okay? Yung employee mindset, tanggalin natin. Kasama lahat 'yun sa marketing eh. So we'll do that. So sabi ni Cristel, maganda ang pamasko. Totoo. Totoo. Ang galing ng mga VAs, no? Ang galing-galing ninyo. It's really important na they know your needs. So, yeah, nabigay nila. Even better than I can, which is really great. So, thank you so much again. And as usual, may recording to. And this one, this recording will go out. This one will go out. Pero hindi ko sasama yung secret na sinabi ko sa inyo. Yung tungkol dun sa presenting three things. Hindi ko sasama. Yung, there's gonna be a recording for this webinar. I'm gonna post it live sa YouTube, but I'm gonna erase that secret part. Kasi secret lang natin yun eh. Okay, kasi you stayed up for the last moments. Okay. Okay? Yung 12 glibs sa platinum, kakausapin ko pa yung si Jasmine. This is her idea. Okay. No, Mastermind is not lifetime membership. It's yearly membership. Yearly membership ang Mastermind. Ganun talaga. Okay? So thank you very much for sige, thank you for attending, but if you have questions, I'm still here to answer them. I'll just go get something to drink, okay? So anyone who wants to go and sleep now or think about it or go register right now because you want to be first, that's great. Do it. Just go get something to drink. Ayan, nalito na si Cindy. Tatlo lang kasi tingnan mo, Cindy. Tingin lang sa tatlo. Bukas wala na yan. Gagawin kong tagtatatlo na yan para hindi ka nalito. Grabe. Installment sa Ultimate Bundle. Tanungin natin si Jasmine. That's weird. Pero tanungin natin si Jasmine. Paano makakabayad? Hindi ko ma-avail. Sir, paano yung nakabayad na ako, ma-avail ko yung bundle 4? MMI? MMI, no? Bundle 4. Kailan ka nag-avail ng MMI? Kung recent lang, minus mo lang yung binayad mo. Hi, Ella. Yeah, the question about gold MMI is for 2 persons, yes. Pero pwede kang ikaw lang. Essentially, yung second person, assistant mo dapat yun eh. Okay lang yan. Okay lang to answer. Kahit na paulit-ulit yung tanong, okay lang. Yung ebook bundle ba may step-by-step instructions? Lahat. Lahat yan. Kung ang topic is step-by-step Sometimes it's not step-by-step like, how do you detect a scam? Hindi yun literally step-by-step. I just have to explain how it's done. Pag technical, like yung hosted webinar, hosted WordPress, yun, step-by-step yun. Okay. Thanks, Noemi. Okay, good question. Sabi ni Ryan, if ever mag-avail ako ng MMI and decide to promote yung Go Negosyo and online business, how much will I earn? Excuse me. Pag si Go Negosyo, wala ka pa ma-earn sa unahan. Yung upfront, wala. Pag Go Negosyo. Pag yung business ko yung pinromote mo, depende kung gaano ka kasipag, pwede ka na mag-earn agad in, let's say, within 1 month or 2 months time. Depends on how sipag you are. Kasi work talaga ang promotion. So, kaya gusto ko sana you have your own business. Yung how much is really dependent on how sipag or yun talaga. Or how interested you are in what you're promoting. So, amounts, I'm not sure how much. Thousands for sure. Hindi hundreds. Thousands of pesos a month. Ito magandang tanong. Maria, ang ganda ng tanong niya, nakakalungkot. Pero sagutin natin. Sorry Wala yung verb. Wala akong microphone. I appreciate the lessons you're giving. I already got your VA seminar last October. I'm planning to be an MMI member. My question is, what if something happens to Jomar? Who will teach us now? Well, wala kang problema sa MMI because the MMI is already prepared. Last year pa namin ginawa yung MMI. Yun. Also OMC2. OMC2 is actually version 2 of original OMC1. So the lessons are still there. Ang tinasabi niya, kung may mamatay si Jomar, wala akong magagawa. Wala na ako eh. Alam mo yun? Well, actually, the other answer there is, I think Jasmine will take over, you know. Feeling ko lang. Alas tingin niya. Nandito si Jasmine sa chatroom eh. Tanungin natin kung gusto niya mag-take over. Kaya naman niya eh, as long as, sa totoo lang, any one of you guys can take over. Basta i-commit niyo lang sa sarili niyo, pag-aralan niyo to. Yung lahat ng idle time, pag-aralan niyo, kaya niyo tong gawin. Okay? So, lessons-wise, the lessons are already prepared. They are automatically programmed to send to you. Computer ang gumagawa nun. Nagawa na namin yung mga webinars, nagawa na namin yung recordings. Ipapresent na lang sa inyo ng computer system. Okay. May sinasabi si Jasmine, di ko naintindihan. Okay. Let's tell the person to email us. Okay. Okay. So if you're asking, okay. So Cindy, please email Jasmine, JASMINE at, well, I just know. Kung meron kayong mga tanong about the program, ipadala nyo na lang dito sa, nasa na yun? Nasa na yun? Okay, fine. I'll just send you guys an email address ni Jasmine. Jasmine@jomarhilario.com. Para i-collect na lang yung mga tanong ninyo na, pwede ba to? Pwede ba to? Yung mga tanong na pwede ba to? Ganun. May ebook lessons sa MMI. Yeah. There's how to sell an ebook and how to promote an ebook. Kailangan pwede ma-access ang bundles to see the features of each bundles. Now, pwede mo nang buksan, pero yung ultimate bundle na lang ang hindi pa nabubuksan. So you can actually open it now. If I have the link, there it is. Yeah. If you want to give this as a gift to someone, you may. Sabi ni, yes, affiliate marketing and promoting a business is the same thing. They're synonyms. Ella Carillo, yes, I prefer that you enroll by Friday kasi sa Saturday at 8 o'clock, Ella, meron tayong webinar. Sabi ni Sheila, wala daw siyang kasama. Magha-hire ka din eventually. Sino daw ang backup teacher ko? Wala pa. Wala pa akong backup teacher. Bata pa ako eh. Nag-exercise nga ako eh. And I eat vegetables. You know that? I eat a lot of vegetables, a lot of meat. I exercise. I do Zumba, yoga, and skating. Oh ha, I stay at home. Goodness. Paano pa yun? Hello? Stay at home na nga ako. Maganda pa asawa ko. Tinutulungan pa niya ako lagi. Mga ganong klase. Okay. Okay. Age limit, pwede bang 11 years old? Yes, basta gusto niya itong ginagawa niya. Watch out for the 11 years old, mas mabilis siyang kumilos. Hindi ako natakot sa tanong about death. Sanay na ako dyan. I mean, that concept is not strange. I'm a Catholic. Hello. You should know that that's not a problem. Death is okay. You meet Christ when you die. So, NP, right? Kaya nga, bilisan nyo na. Hello, kayo na mag-take over. Bilisan nyo na, kumilos na kayo. Okay. Paki-click na lang yung bundle, hindi ko alam eh, yung fourth bundle. Yeah, MMI, platinum yan. Wala kaming bundle for golds. Meron kaming bundle for platinum. So, if you're asking, is MMI gold ba yung fourth bundle? Alam ko, it's MMI platinum. I will teach you how to hire a VA. Yes, sa MMI yan. Kasi sabi niya, ano daw mangyayari pag may nangyari sa akin. Essentially, MMI, automated yun eh. Magbibigay siya ng lesson sa'yo. Essentially, what we're doing here is actually setting up computerized systems. It's a good question kasi yung mga businesses na lit na physical, pag nawala si boss, yung mga empleyado nagloloko. Pagdating sa online, the employees are not employees, they're computer systems. So they keep working as long as you're paying them. So all you need to have pag may online business ka is a person who takes over the payments, and the computer system will keep working, and in the course of, let's say, a month or 2 months, 3 months, kung nagawa mo na yung lessons mo in the past like I did na, it's just gonna send the emails and update the website automatically. So mas maganda talaga 'to, okay? Ewan ko ba bakit nila gustong pag-usapan yung this, okay? Wife ko, alam niya 'to pero hindi niya ginagawa. Alam niya 'to. Even my sister and my brother and my sister, they all know this, as in intimately. Kasi pero kamag-anak ko kasi, eh. Kapatid ko alam na alam niya 'to. Sister ko, ginagawa niya 'to, kumikita siya sa internet. Yung isa kong sister, tanungin niyo, alam niya rin niya. Pero hindi sila mahilig magturo, eh, alam niyo 'yun. So, pareho din 'yan ng question mo na, papaano na lang yung teacher ko sa school o si Bo, 'pag may nangyari kay Bo, sino na magtuturo sa feast? Kaya nga nagse-set up siya ng maraming replacements, 'di ba? What do you think I'm doing here? I'm setting up replacements for myself. Am I not? You guys, you should be the one teaching na para buong Pilipinas yumaman na hindi na nag-o-OFW. Tama ba? Tama ba 'yon? Kayo na 'yun. Kayo na ang mag-replace sa akin. Gets? Gets? Kayo na 'yun, ano ba? Mas maraming reach kayo, eh, 'di ba? Ako, isa lang ako, eh, kayo marami kayo, eh. 'Pag ginalingan ninyo, eh, di kayo na magturo, kung mahilig kayong magturo. Nasa hilig din kasi minsan, okey? And try not to think about that so much, you know? Unless gusto mo na ma-meet si Jesus. Sige, meet niyo na si Jesus. Ako ready, kayo hindi ready? Oh, magandang usapan 'yan. Yes, you can use BPI. Let me just get you the BPI details. And there's the account number and stuff para kita nyo. Oh, tanong, how much do you pay for local VAs? Minimum 10,000 part-time. Kung gusto niyo na magaling. Minimum part-time, 10,000 pesos. Suggestion ko lang yun, ah. Pwede ka mag-pay lower, pero sana magaling. Okay. Same lang po ng dati yung BPI. Yeah, it's the same, the same. So that's how much you pay for local VA. Depende sa'yo. How many hours? Probably half day, 4 hours a day, ganun. I'm just approximating. Iba-ibang rate bawat tao, eh. I'm uploading this in YouTube. Hindi tonight kasi ipa-process ko pa. Hindi kaya ng video processing ng 2 hours na video na isang gabi. Siguro mga kalahating araw or something. By tomorrow siguro ma-upload ko na. Pag walang edits, mabilis, eh. We're not finished. I'm still recording, so, you know. Ang tanong ni Ella kung gusto ng sister niya sumali later, kung gold member siya. Okay lang, syempre. Dalawa kayo, eh, 'di ba? The only point lang kaya dalawa is just make sure you're doing the same thing. I mean, if your sister joins you, iba naman yung ginagawa niya. You're not helping each other out. Kasi iba yung purpose niya ba't siya sumali, eh. Dapat pareho kayo ng goal. Para pag dating sa exercises, either ikaw ang gagawa o siya. Pero it's for one business only. Oh, 'di ba, Ella and Gay? Kaibigan ko yan from UP Los Baños. So yeah, graduate ako nun. School na yon, Comsci. So ayan na, paalam na po ha. 10:30 na, eh. So thank you so much for joining this webinar. May tanong pa, Maria. Yung VR ba na hire should know about MMI or sabay kayo? Sabay. Pag kumuha ka ng VA na marunong ng MMI, sigurado ako mataas na yon. Sino dito ang gustong magpa-hire kay Maria? Yan. So, typically, you hire depending on your budget. Pag mataas ang budget mo, get somebody na experienced. And si Ana. Ana, nasa Saudi ka pa ba? Naghahanap si Maria N. Sinares ng VA. Oh, ha? Alam ko nasa Saudi si ano eh. Pauwi na daw tama, December. Pauwi na si Ana. Nurse yan. Marunong na yan. Nag-attend na yan ng kung ano-anong mga online events ko. O mababa budget mo, kukuha ka ng hindi masyadong eksperyensiyado. As i-share mo sa kanya yung mga lessons ng MMI. Literally, share. Bibigyan ko kayo ng dalawang accounts, eh, pag gold ka o kaya platinum. At bubuksan niya yon on her own time. Tapos magte-train siya mag-isa. I-review mo na lang siya. Ikaw rin magte-train para ma-review mo siya. Tapos punta kayo doon sa workshop webinar and then you work. Okay? It's worth, eh. Thank you for attending. It's great to have you guys, and I'll see you soon in one of the live events or the workshop webinars on Saturday. Remember, you have 1.5 hours to avail of the OMC2 na discount. Okay, 1.5 hours OMC2 discount. Ito yun, 14,500 tonight. Or, you can just hit the online mentoring club discount. Nasaan na yun? Hindi natin binuksan. Ito yun, online, where's that? Number 5, how to build your dream online business kit. That's the online mentoring club discount. I think, hulaan natin. Hinulaan ko lang. Oh, there it is! 19,500. Online mentoring club version 2, success secrets, literature, and courses. Make this year your best year. How to make Facebook earn for you. Social media contest management. How to effectively promote your business in Pinterest. Secrets of social media online photography. For its 19,500 up to Tuesday, you get online mentoring club plus these extra bundle. So that's bundle number 5, I think. This is bundle number 5. Yan. Yan ang choice nyo. Either 19,500 hanggang Tuesday or 14,500 tonight. So, kayong bahala. So, yun. Pag gusto nyo maghanap ng VA, sabihin nyo sa akin, tulungan ko kayo. Just send me an email. Okay? So, that's all I have for tonight. And regarding your questions, we'll get back to you by email. Kung matutuloy ba yung iba yung tanong, like yung installment, 3,000 years to pay, mga ganun. Okay? So, thank you so much for attending. May you have a marvelous life. And I expect to see you living that marvelous life a few months from now. Merry Christmas! Thank you.
Don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I don't need to hang my stocking there upon that fireplace. Santa Claus won't make me happy with a toy on Christmas Day. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you. I won't ask for much this Christmas. I don't even wish for snow. I'm just gonna keep on waiting underneath the mistletoe. I won't make a list and send it to the North Pole for Saint Nick. I won't even stay awake to hear those magic reindeers click. 'Cause I just want you here tonight, holding on to me so tight. What more can I do? All I want for Christmas is you. All the lights are shining so brightly everywhere, and the sound of children's laughter fills the air, and everyone is singing. I hear those sleigh bells ringing. Santa, won't you bring me the one I really need? Won't you please bring my baby to me? I don't want a lot for Christmas. This is all I'm